Hey there, chemists. Potassium manganate 7 is one of the reagents that are used in qualitative analysis in chemistry. Potassium manganate 7 solution is used in testing for sulfides. That's in organic qualitative analysis in organic chemistry. It is also used in testing for the organic compounds, to test for alkenes, carbon-carbon double bonds, the triple bonds, and the alkanols. Today, I would like us to look at how to prepare an acidified 0.02 molar potassium manganate 7 solution. So these are the apparatus that we'll be needing. We need a weighing balance, which we will use to measure the potassium manganate 7. We'll also be needing an empty beaker. We'll be needing a measuring cylinder. We'll be using a 250 milliliter measuring cylinder. We'll be needing a volumetric flask. I want us to prepare 250 milliliters of the acidified potassium manganate 7. We'll need 2 molar sulfuric 6 acid. This is 2 molar sulfuric 6 acid. We'll need a glass rod, a stirring rod, to stir the potassium manganate 7 and ensure that it dissolves completely. And lastly, we'll be needing a spatula. Of course, a spatula is used to scoop. So procedure number 1, we are going to weigh for 1 liter of a solution. We usually dissolve 3.16 grams of this potassium manganate 7. And since we are preparing 250 milliliters, we divide that 3.16 grams by 4. So we'll be dissolving 0.79 grams. So we're going to weigh 0.79 grams using our weighing balance. I'm using our weighing balance with a 0.01 gram accuracy. And, that means that we have different weighing balances. This one, I prefer this one, and the other one for 0.1. 0.01 ensures that you measure the solid accurately. So we are measuring 0.79. So we have 0.79 grams of potassium manganate 7. We're done with that. Putting that aside, we transfer the 0.79 grams into the empty beaker that we had here. And then we are supposed to add about 100 milliliters. We are preparing 250 milliliters. So we're going to add about 100 milliliters of water. So we use our stirring rod. We stir just to ensure that all the solid that we've added here is completely dissolved. So potassium manganate 7 is usually a purple solution. It is used in so many other experiments throughout all the sciences. And then transfer into a clean volumetric flask. It's very important when you're carrying out any preparation in the lab. You be very thorough on rinsing your apparatus, and we rinse using distilled water. A very involving process, but necessary. Every time before you use any apparatus, you make sure that you rinse. Now, the reason why we dissolved our solid in only 100 while we wanted to prepare 250 is because now most of the times the rinsing process is part of the procedure. So you need to ensure that you rinse the apparatus so that you transfer all the solids. Into the flask. So you should not leave any particle. So you rinse, then you pour out. So I have to do this on several occasions until all the solids here we're paying attention, we have to acidify our solution here with about 200 and with about 12.5 milliliters of 2 molar sulfuric acid. Now, I want us to measure 12.5 for this. Usually we're going to measure 12.5. We are supposed to use 12.5. We are using a measuring cylinder, and a measuring cylinder has a low accuracy. However, when you're measuring using a volumetric flask, make sure that measuring cylinder, ensure that the meniscus, you look at the base of the meniscus to have 12.5. Still have to continue dissolving here, so I'm going to transfer it to our use the beaker here. So we have added 12.5 mils of 2 molar sulfuric acid. Then I'll continue with my rinsing process until all the solid is transferred. So now we can top up to the mark. We add water. When topping up to the mark, you have to do this cautiously so that the level of water does not exceed the mark. To keep it distance. As you near the mark, as you approach the mark, you add. There we are at the mark, and then now you close your flask, and then you turn it upside down to ensure that it's completely mixed. Here is our 250 milliliters of 0.02 molar acidified potassium manganate 7. See you shortly. We'll be using our solution for the qualitative analysis of alkanos in our next clip. Be blessed. Remember to subscribe and click the like button. See you soon. Voice.